What if I told you that Earth might one day become like Venus? Right now, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system with temperature around 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But here is the terrifying part. Scientists believe Venus may have once looked a lot like Earth, and studying Venus might show us what could happen to Earth in the distant future. Venus is often called Earth twin. Both planets are almost the same size, have same gravity, and they formed at the same part of the solar system. But today, they are completely different worlds. Earth has oceans, forests, and life. Venus has toxic clouds, crushing pressure, and extreme heat. So, what went wrong? The biggest difference between Earth and the Venus is something called the runaway greenhouse effect. On Earth, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap some heat from the sun. This actually helped to keep our planet warm enough for life. But on Venus, this process went completely out of control. Scientists believe Venus once has water ocean. As the sun heated the planet, water evaporated into the atmosphere. Water vapor is a very powerful greenhouse gas which trapped even more heat. More heat caused more evaporation. This created a runaway cycle. At the same time, Venus has another problem. Unlike Earth, Venus spins extremely slowly and doesn't have a strong magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field protects our atmosphere and water from the solar wind coming from the sun. But Venus lacks this protection, allowing solar wind to slowly strip hydrogen from atmosphere, which is the one of the key component of the water. Over time, this helped Venus lose its ocean permanently, and the atmosphere became 96% carbon dioxide. And today, its atmosphere is so thick that it is about 90 times stronger than the Earth, and the temperature is hot enough to melt lead. Could our Earth become like Venus in the future? Maybe or maybe not. Over the millions of years, sun will become more hotter and brighter. And when that happens, same process will happen on Earth's surface like it happened on Venus. Ocean water will evaporate, and when they will evaporate, they will cover the sky with their thick atmospheric clouds, and maybe there will be no rain or very little rain. And when that happens, greenhouse effect will take over because water vapor is a greenhouse gas, and that greenhouse effect will trap more heat from the sun and our planet will become more hotter. But there is a twist. Earth has a magnetic field, Venus has not. So Venus lost its water vapor oceans over millions of years of sun radiation, but Earth will not. Earth will keep its water vapor, and Earth will become more hotter and more denser than Venus. So, if you are an alien who will visit Earth over billions of years after the Earth greenhouse effect, you may see a very different picture on Earth. Maybe a crushing atmosphere or a deserty land, and most importantly, no ocean water. The water will only be present on the atmosphere, and that's it. So this was my video on the topic, could Earth become Venus? If you like this topic, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you around, and stay safe.